Welcome to another Nearpod video tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a poll question as well as a fill in the blank. So let's get started. First things first, remember we are adding activities, so we're going to click on add activity, scroll over to the right. First one we see is poll. We're going to start with the poll. Now a poll is just that, it's a poll question. You ask a question kind of like a quiz, however there is no right or wrong answer. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in here, what is your favorite subject? And I can go ahead and put some answer choices here. Math, whoops, English. I'm going to add an answer. Writing. I'm going to put one more. Science. And let's go with lunch. Now there is no right or wrong answer. Okay, so students can choose from any one of these, and same with other activities. You can add a different reference image, video, audio clip, PDF, or web content to any one of these. And that's basically it. Let's go ahead and preview it. I'm going to click save. And how do we preview it again, ladies and gentlemen? Well, you just click preview, or you can click on the slide you want to preview and then choose your preview after it's saved. So once it's in there, let's take a look to see what it's going to look like for the student. There it is. And you can really quickly share those results out with the class as soon as you're done with them. So that is how you add a poll question to your Nearpod lesson. Now, let's add a fill in the blank. Add activity one more time. There's our fill in the blank. And you can choose from any text style. I'm going to go ahead and go with this blue and white one here. And I'm just going to choose a definition. Whoa. So I'm going to ask Google to define. Perfect. Nationalism. I like that. So define nationalism. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that text here. So if I'm a civics teacher or a social studies teacher, and I'm going over this in my class, and I have a document with that information on there, I could literally just grab it, put it in here. That's what I want them to fill in the blank with. Now, we got to create the blanks. No. After I click that next, all I'm going to do is just click on the words that I want to exclude, and it creates that word bank. I'm going to choose done. As always, preview it. Let's take a look to see what that looks like. Voila. With one's own nation and supports first interests especially. Okay, so if I drag and drop, identification with one's nation. Okay, and I can check my answer. Done. So that is how you create a fill in the blank. So we've gone over two things. We went over the poll question as well as the fill in the blank. Play around with those, get to know those, and add those types of questions to your Nearpod lesson.